How many can you get right? This is Funzies. Like and subscribe for more.
Today's category is Minecraft. 25 questions. Let's see how many you can get. Question 1. What is the Nether's jellyfish-like flying mob? The answer is gust. Question 2. What is the rarest biome in the overworld? The answer is mushroom fields. Question 3. What is the honey block's special property? The answer is slows movement. Question 4. What block reads container fullness? The answer is comparator. Question 5. What common block resists gas blasts? The answer is cobblestone. Question 6. What is a Minecraft seed? The answer is world gen number. Question 7. What does a charged creeper's explosion drop? The answer is mob heads. Question 8. What is the overworld to nether distance ratio? The answer is 8:1. Question 9. How many game modes are in Minecraft? The answer is 4. Question 10. What is the first thing most players do in a new world? The answer is punch a tree. Question 11. What is the purpose of an ender chest? The answer is shared inventory. Question 12. How do you stop copper from oxidizing? The answer is wax it. Halfway there. 13 questions to go. Question 13. What biome has no hostile mob spawns? The answer is mushroom fields. Question 14. What dimension do you start in? The answer is the overworld. Question 15. What item was not stackable in early Minecraft? The answer is food. Question 16. What underwater block gives conduit power? answer is conduit. Question 17. What do dolphins lead you to if you feed them cod? The answer is buried treasure. Question 18. What mode gives you unlimited resources? The answer is creative. Question 19. Which direction do sunflowers always face? The answer is east. Question 20. What does milk remove in Minecraft? The answer is all effects. Question 21. What enchantment lets you walk on water? The answer is Frostwalker. Question 22. What precious block can be traded with for piglins? The answer is gold ingot. Question 23. What powers a respawn anchor? The answer is glowstone. Question 24. What type of pickaxe is needed to mine diamonds? The answer is iron. Question 25. What portal block is found in ruined portals? The answer is crying obsidian.
That's a wrap. Drop your score in the comments. Want to play with friends? Head to funzies.xyz. Challenge them live on any device. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.